Yeah, filming. First, hello boys.
What's going to fall off the top? Can we get the camera ready, please?
Give the accelerator a couple of pumps before we start it.
Holly.
Can you move some stuff with Ruth, Dirk?
Got the fire extinguishers handy?
No, we don't.
No, there's one in the Integra.
It'll be noisy. Oh, I might.
I've got one in my car.
What? Extinguisher?
Whatever.
What'll do?
I thought one of a little 1 kg.
Well, as long as they...
That's your pump. I think that's been off though, isn't it?
Oh, you had it full on, did you?
I think so.
It'll come on with it next.
Shouldn't do. I'll just reset it. I don't know what's going to happen.
Gangster styles, eh, bro?
There's oil in there.
Move that bucket.
Nothing. Oh, switch.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yay!
Yeah.
Going to the gauge. You never run a fresh engine for more than 10 seconds, eh?
Oil pressure?
And then go crawling under it for leaks. No, the oil pressure is not hooked
Oh,
up.
it's not hooked up. How much does it need to get hooked up?
Green wire to sensor and black wire to ground. Oh, it's just double it.
Well, I think you did very well. That was a very... Yeah, that isn't what you do.
Bang on.
Yeah.
I'll look for a timing mark down there.
Where's our barometer? Map keep you
Down there.
Alright.
So what are you doing with the timing? You're going to dial it back out and then
Oh,
look for 10?
yeah, I should do that before I fire it up, eh?
Just read out what you see.
It
I
would.
suppose we're going to have the ability to adjust
So
it.
that should flash.
Yeah,
Yeah,
flash it.
just
If
get
it's got a notch in it.
As a 12.
Ideally, 10's real good to mark the mark and it flashes up real good.
On the pulley, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, there'll be a little V in there.
But
So what are we looking for, Dirk? You're going to dial all the timing out of it at idle?
Oh, I'm going to make it all 10.
Okay. Cool. We're good to go.
Fuck, it's awkward to do on this bloody thing compared to an electronic.
Why don't you just look at the zone? Oh, you don't know how to pull individual zones yet, do you?
Well, it'll be moving around if I don't sort of zero it out in a bit of a table.
Yeah, you want to get block at half a dozen, 0.
Yeah, that's right.
Taco go?
We didn't check that.
I'll have a look.
Interesting, I suppose.
Yeah, I'll check that.
It's not going to go now.
Oh, that's good.
Well done.
Jinxed it.
I thought he was building with an hair braking thing.
A little reluctance. Once you get your pulse through there, see where she goes. And it's just powered by 12 volts to make it flash. Yeah, the same one.
So we're going to see it on here. Alright, fingers.
Yep. Charge.
Check for 10 degrees.
Yep, made it work. The taco worked?
Hold me away from the belt, mate.
Have you loosened that up?
Nah.
You want to loosen?
Net 0.
So what do you want? We need both of them. There's one on the back side as well. There's one on here too.
It's right on 0.
0.
Yeah.
Hang on.
Ah. Double check I'm looking at the right mark.
So that was about 7, wasn't
7,
it?
yeah.
It was reading 10 on here, so we still need to go another 3 the other direction. That's the problem, we're now at 0. I'm not sure whether this will accept the -3 or not.
That's what I'm saying, we can dial that out in about half a second with the old
Yeah, you might have to. You might have to. Need that on the top of these here.